Today I'm cooking a simple stir-fried spinach with sambal. This recipe will be slightly spicy for vegetable dish, which will be good with rice. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 600 grams of baby spinach, washed, cut with the stem and the leaves separated, 4 tablespoons of pre-cooked sambal paste, 1 red chilli, half tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and 60 ml of water. The full list of the ingredients, the measurement, and the sambal recipe are in the see more link. Switch on the heat. Put in all the sambal paste in the pan. Spread it around the pan. Add in about 60 ml of water. Stir and mix until the sambal paste and the water are well combined. Now it becomes slightly thinner paste. Add in the red chilli. Stir for about 1 minute or until well combined. Alright, after 1 minute, the sambal is getting hot. Add in the spinach stems. Stir and mix for 1.5 minutes or until the spinach stems are slightly soft and well coated with sambal. Alright, this should be okay. Add in the fish sauce and sugar. Continue to stir. The spinach stems are half cooked now. Add in the leaves. Give it a stir. This amount of the spinach leaves will take about 2 to 3 minutes to stir and become soft. Continuously stir while the heat softens the spinach leaf. Once the spinach leaves are soft, it will release a lot of liquid so that there is some gravy in the pan. After 2.5 minutes, the spinach leaves are all soft and cooked. Give it a taste. Delicious. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it is delicious. Switch off the heat. Now I can dish out and serve. Let's eat. Oh yes, the spinach is very soft and very sweet. It blends so well with the sambal. It is best served with white rice or nasi lemak. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.